Hello, thank you for purchasing my kits for toilet seat replacement on Kohler toilets and other toilets with 3/8 inch holes. First, the biggest problem is the removal of the old seat. I will try to demonstrate several methods for removal of the seat. Pardon my make-believe toilet, but this is about the best I could do. First of all, you start to unscrew the existing screws. If they will not come loose, you will have to either pry them with a piece of wood as a fulcrum and pull them out of the porcelain. If that doesn't work, and you do that gently because you don't want to crack, but say you can get the screw out, and then you are left with the anchors remaining in the seat. The next best thing is as follows. Put the screw back in, the anchor, and tap it with a hammer, a small hammer, such as this. And what that does, it elongates the anchor. It'll push the end down to where it tends to collapse the aluminum walls. Squirt some WD-40 into it or other spray, and then you can either pry them out as a whole, grab them with a vice grip or plier, and pull by the screw out like that. Or if you can get it so far, you can squeeze the body of the anchor and rotate it out. Those are pretty much the simplest way of removing. If you have to resort to a hacksaw,